Okay, so let's revisit this power rule for derivative. So we showed this result is true for integers when we're taking derivative. Let's extend this to rational numbers are. Okay, so rational number is the ratio of two integers, and the integer here is not 0, of course. So let's write x to the power r as y, and then replace this r with m over n. Now if we take the nth power of both sides, we get y to the power n equals x to the power m. Now let's take the derivative. The derivative of both sides with respect to x. The derivative of the left-hand side is, we use the implicit differentiation, n times y to the power n minus 1 times the derivative of y. And the derivative of the right-hand side is m times x to the power m minus 1. Now remember that we're trying to find y prime. Why? Because we're trying to find the derivative of x to the power r. Okay? So if we solve this for y prime, we get m over n times x to the power m minus 1 divided by y to the power n minus 1. Now m over n was our number r. This is the same thing. And what is y? Y is x to the power m over n, and we take its n minus first power. Okay, so this is r to the power x minus 1 divided by x to the power m minus m over n. Okay, so m over m was r, and we can simplify this expression like this: r times x to the power r minus 1. So this is the end of the power rule.